Hey there, did you know you can personalize your Gmail experience by changing the wallpaper? Adding a custom wallpaper can make your inbox feel more like you, whether you want a calming landscape or fun pattern or even your own photo. Let's walk through how to change the wallpaper in Gmail on your PC. First, open your web browser on your PC and log into your account. Once you are in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is your settings menu, click on it. From the drop down menu, scroll down and select theme. Click on view all. Now scroll to the options to find the one that suits your style. Once you like the style, click on it. If you want to use your own image, click on My Photos right here. You can upload a photo from your computer or select one from your Google Photos library. Once you have chosen your wallpaper, click Save to apply. And that's it, your wallpaper is now set to new one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it with others who might want to use it. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.